The 68 GT500 Convertible is a cleanly restored classic that wraps 428 cubic inches of hot Cobra Jet V8 in sinister raven black paint. Looking for some legendary Motor City muscle that also happens to be a choice investment? Look no further than this exclusive Shelby. Complementing decades of excellent maintenance with decades of accident-free driving, this Mustang benefited from a detailed ground-up restoration that included stripping and reworking each of its solid panels. Once those laser straight lines and super smooth surfaces were adequately prepped, a correct coat of raven black base was buried in thick clear and decorated with contrasting GT500 KR side stripes. And today this Shelby rolls as a first-class showpiece that's both fun and collectible. Inside, the first thing you'll notice is an ornate wood-trimmed steering wheel. Behind that wheel, a great-looking dash frames a correct Philco radio beneath a 140 mph speedometer and 8,000 RPM tachometer. Textured vinyl seats look great under the roll bar, and a full-length console anchors small Stewart Warner accessory gauges in front of a Shelby shifter and Cobra-branded armrest. Lift the sculpted hood and you'll find 428 cubic inches of Ford V8 that's been completely rebuilt. With an advertised 335 horsepower, that iconic mill sends power through a Toploader 4-speed back to a limited slip differential with 350 gears. Shelby Mustangs are about as collectible as 60 muscle cars get. They're fun to drive, fun to show, and continue to be top-notch performers that hold their value exceptionally well. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.